Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class of moral science. Today we'll start our next lesson. Lesson number 2. Knowledge is wealth. Before starting our lesson, you should know what is knowledge. Knowledge is the biggest wealth for anybody in this world. One who has knowledge can succeed in anything and can become successful in life. And a man without knowledge is called a man without vision. Means he will have eyes but cannot see anything. Here in this lesson, it tells about the two men, Daulatram and Gyaneshwar. Daulatram was a very rich man and has a big house with fine garden. He had many cars and servants in the house, but he don't have common sense and lack knowledge in many things. But his neighbor named Gyaneshwar was a poor man. He was a learned and wise man. His wealth is not money, but his knowledge. They both argued with each other for some or other thing. For Daulatram, money is everything in the world. He thought that money can buy anything what you want. But on the other side, Gyaneshwar says money can buy certain things but not everything. For example, you can purchase a pillow but not comfort. Same way you can't purchase a happiness. So what happened one day? The war broke out in their country and both of them lost whatever they had. And they both went to another town to take shelter as they lost everything, their house, their money, their wealth, everything they lost. So they went to the another town to take shelter. Now Daulatram was pauper, means he became extremely poor and had nothing, not even knowledge. On the other side, Gyaneshwar had his knowledge and learning, and people respect him. You know, people respect us for what we are, not for what we have. People हमारी रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं कि हम क्या हैं, कैसे हैं, ना कि हमारे पास क्या चीज़ है, क्या है हमारे पास, उसके लिए हमारी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते. एंड knowledge is real wealth and are more valuable than money. Knowledge is more powerful weapon in this world. It gives us the ability to think in all ways. And a person with knowledge can solve a problem easily. If they not had a money but and have a knowledge, they can earn money with their knowledge. And true knowledge is that which lead us towards God. It teaches us how to behave, how to love people, and how to serve God in all we do. Whatever religion we belong, they teach us what we must do in our life. And they teach us to differentiate the good things and the bad things, or we can say good and the bad deeds. Even if we have all the wealth in the world but not having true knowledge, then we will be extremely poor. हमारे पास कितना भी मनी क्यों ना हो, अगर नॉलेज नहीं है तो हम क्या है, पुअर हैं. ओनली ट्रू नॉलेज गिव अस ट्रू हैप्पीनेस एंड पीस, and that only take us close to the God. We will come close to God. So my dear children, know God and be happy, as God teach us what to do and what not to do. Like Gyaneshwar had true knowledge and he was always happy as he know what is right thing. So, my dear children, knowledge is everything in life, because by knowledge only we will know God, and our true wealth is knowledge, not money. Thank you. Be at home and be safe.